Hello, CAPS patients. This is Sarah. I just wanted to chat with you guys briefly about another procedure we do here in the office that is fantastic for building collagen and giving us some subtle volumization. So that is Sculptra. So Sculptra is a great option for most patients. There is a certain age where it's probably not going to increase your collagen production much, but that's something that we can discuss at your consultation. But it's a great option to just reverse some of those aging processes, restore some natural volume, especially for patients who have really gaunt areas right in here. It's a challenge to treat that with normal filler, so Sculptra is a great option for that. We typically recommend 1 vial per decade of life, and then for maintenance, 1 or 2 vials a year just to maintain that. So over time, it is very cost effective, and the results can be seen for years after treatment. What is it? So it's actually a powdered form of PLLA, which is a substance found in, for example, dissolvable suture, and it's been used in the medical field for over 20 years. So we actually make a liquid solution of that with water, and we inject it into the tissues, which then those little particles, your body recognizes those, and it creates collagen in response to the injection of that product. It's very soft, it's very subtle. Patients have been very happy with it. And it does give some additional benefits as well, such as some smoothness, increased smoothness to the skin, firmness, but also that volumization. So if you have questions about it, feel free to give us a call and we'd love to chat with you.